Hello again. So today I want to just make tie sets for as many of these as possible. I have this folder. It's not all of them. It's 28. So it's about just over half. So you need to do some photoshopping, which you can see I've already done on this green one. If you look at the green there and this one, it's quite different. So that's just Photoshop. So I just want to make the pocket square look the same as the ties. The ties are on the website already. I'm just going to use this one. So I'll copy that, paste it here, and then I'll just put everything on top of it. So for example, just may as well start at the beginning. So grab this image, drag it into Photoshop, and then just want to crop it more or less however you would do it. You can use one of the marquee tools. So I'll use that one, just a little bit there. Okay, so just delete that layer now, and then paste that layer, make it smaller with this Control T. And just try and have it sit on top of the one that's there already, to make it about the same size. They look even, it's quite good. And then let's see, do I have a mint one? Don't really have a mint. Quite often you have to try and take a few guesses. I guess I'll learn with you at the same time this time. So I want to select colour range just to get the colour of this one here, and then probably have to use this quick selection tool. It's holding, go around it and hopefully select it all. You can tell if you cut it and it's all gone, then you know you got it right pretty much. It's alright. So I'll just get around here, let that a bit easier. Because I don't really want the shadow that the guy left on it. I mean, it's okay, but it's easier to work without it. Because if you colour adjust the shadow, it's real obvious. Whoops, wrong one. Hey, where is the original one I did? Oh, yep. So paste it here, and then resize it to about the same size as this one. Yeah, rotate it around a bit to get sort of the fold at the bottom, so keep the fold away from the tie. Resize it a little bit. That's about right, I guess. Okay, that will do. Now I can remove this layer, and if I look on this, it's actually pretty scrappy still, so maybe it was just better to cut around it in the first place, because there is still shadow there too, which when I colour adjust it, it will show up probably. So this is what I mean, this only takes a minute, so it's worth doing one time and never again. That's my whole philosophy of the photos. You just do it right one time and then you don't have to ever edit them again. One more. I should probably have colour adjusted it first, because this might not actually work. That's a tip for you. Do the colour adjusting first and then delete the background, because otherwise it might look bad. So now you can go to image adjustments. There's quite a few options here. Quite often the hue saturation is good, so you can move this a little bit, try and get it to about the same. It's a bit tricky, isn't it? Try that one then. Take some green out of it. Oh sorry, that's image adjustments. Colour balance, it's Control B, so I just use that. So now just try and get it a bit more similar to the tie. I might have made a mistake with this colour because it might not work. It's brightness contrast. Sorry, I'm doing this by shortcut. It should be image adjustments, brightness, contrast. That one is. Try that one. Vibrance. No. Well, I almost got the jade there. Well, while I'm here, I'll just do the jade, I think, because I think I almost got it. And I should try something else for the mint. Well, it's the jade. Maybe it's going to be tricky still as well. Just cut bits out of it, I guess. Oops, it's not going to work. Not doing this very well at the moment. I'm a little bit sick, so I'm not thinking straight. Still not very jadey, is it? To be honest. So this is just showing you how I would do it anyway. I'll probably just send you this file. Actually, I don't even want New Zealand for this. I just want the Aussie one. So I guess I've got the wrong background there anyway. So I just remove the New Zealand one. I guess it's Aussie. That's pretty good. And then this is still quite off. See what I can do with, sorry, image adjustments, brightness, contrast. And then image adjustments, hue saturation. Some people are really good at this. I don't know how they seem to have to find the right one every time. And then image adjustments. It's good if you learn the shortcuts, it saves you time. Colour balance, it's just Control B for me usually. There we go, that's about right. A little bit darker, that's Shift Control B for me. And a little bit lower. Yep, that's pretty good. Make it a little bit lighter, I guess. Oh, there's another one you can use, which is exposure. Sometimes it does the right sort of, gives it the same kind of lighting. And you can even, if you want to get really tricky with this, you can sort of just give it the same kind of darkness around the edges, which is the burn tool, and then it just depends on your midtones and your exposure, but sometimes you can sort of see, if you see the difference, it's undo that and redo it. Just makes it a little bit more similar to the original image. And then that's it. Just, oh, you can still see the mint one hiding behind there. And then I just save that as jade, tie and pockets set like that. .au. And then that's it. Just same thing for all 50 colours. I might do the mint one now and see if I can show you a video when I'm halfway through.